Today's feature is on the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador Black from Mini GT. This Aventador comes sealed in a unique blister pack from LBWK. Behind you can see the authentication sticker and also the retail price tag at 2,000 yen. The features are authentic details, diecast body and chassis, and it's also a limited edition run, although we don't know how many. Alright, the casting is now freed from the blister prison, looking very cool in the body finish. The box comes in a generic rising sun design from Liberty Walk, similar details behind and also the contact for Mini GT 64. First impression, it looks awesome with the high gloss black and gold combination. Comes with an elastic side mirror for all the Mini GT casting, but the finishing for the side mirror is superb. You can't tell that it's elastic. You can see the decals on the close-up. Imagine all the people living life in peace. The livery are all very sharp and clear. It's very cool. It looks very detailed in clear plastic insert as well as livery printing. View set looks very realistic without shouting for attention, and it rolls extremely well. You can see the LB performance and the rising sun flag very clearly on the wing. The rear is a killer. Just look all the details, the construct of the wing, the exhaust, the grille, as well as the rear lights. Overall, the Aventador Black is a superb casting from Mini GT. Mini GT really nails it in terms of aesthetic and quality. More Mini GT unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!